Hey guys, I'm back with another video. So this is my mom. And so you know the video about the second bird nest? Yes. I could not show you, but now I have a super clear view on it. Because the mom bird and the two other baby birds are sitting right on that branch. Let me show you. It's so cool. Can you see it? It's right there. I'm sure you guys can see it. Can you see? Can you see it? Right there. Now you may ask me, Faith, it looks like there's only one mama bird and only one baby bird. There's actually another one. Shh. Is it? The birds. That bird right there. This one. That bird. Okay. Come. Oh, I think here's a good view of the birds. Sure. Can you see them? See? I'm sure you can see all the three birds. Oh, it's windy. So the mama bird, the baby bird, and the other one at her side. See? 1, 2, 3. The other one at her side. So yeah, I heard my father say there's 2 other eggs there. Now we can see it super clearly. My mom's taking photo of it. Mommy, say hi. Hi. So cute. Okay. Trying to get a good view of it. Nah. See, 1 grey bird, 2 grey bird, and 1 green bird. So yeah, 3 of them. So I hope I give you a clear enough view of the second bird nest. I think it's even more clear than the first one. So guys, thanks for watching. Pretty short, but yeah, I knew I couldn't miss this moment because I still took photo of it. So thanks for watching and see you when I see you. Okay, bye. Mommy, say bye.
Bye.
Okay, bye. Have a great day. So bye.